कार्यक्रम की अगे बढ़ाते हुए उनमें अज्जा दे मुख परौने प्रोफेसर मनोज केधर ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जम्मू दे अगे विनती करन जे वो साडे दर्शकों कन्ने रूबरू होन।
Good afternoon and thank you. It gives me immense pleasure to be here this afternoon. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all of us since Dogri has been made. I feel happy to share that University of Jammu has the unique distinction of having a full-fledged department of Dogri. And few days back, with the directions of the Honorable Chancellor, we decided to set up a center of excellence in Dogri in the university. I am deeply impressed by the excellent work being done by the Trust for the promotion of Dogri and Dogra cultural heritage by blending the tradition with modernity. Whatever we do, the way we behave in our life is all recorded in our DNA. And of course, it is the DNA which controls everything in us. However, if I compare language with DNA, being a bioscientist myself, I think that it will not be wrong because language holds the intricate memory and information for thousands of years of a culture, the same way as is encrypted in our genes, which are transmitted from our parents to the children. So that is how the language is also, and language is an capsule. It encapsulates everything in itself, and it is passed from one generation to another. Language is an important part of our lives. It's a unique gift to human beings, which lets us communicate and differentiates us from our ancestors. It is said that scientifically, human beings are 98% apes. So the 2% difference between humans and apes includes, besides other things, language. But language is more than just a means of communication. It's also an inseparable part of our culture. In the recent years, there have been tremendous developments in the Dogri language. Many writers have left indelible imprints on the Dogri literature and brought Dogri language to the limelight. The future of the language is very bright, with a number of enthusiastic writers occupied with work by creating rich content in the form of songs, proverbs, riddles, and content. However, what we earnestly need to do is to promote mother tongue by speaking and encouraging our children to speak it. I am sure that organizations like Kuvar Vyogi Trust will continue to encourage young minds to take up extensive research in Dogri, and that is what I am looking forward in our proposed Center of Excellence in Dogri, and enrich the language with various activities which are being performed by the Trust. I once again thank the organizers for inviting me here. Wish you all the best.